jumpy. So there's a nice number. Probably a penny on the surface. Okay. Should be able to pick it up here. Right there, okay. So it's right about here. Is it on? Yeah. Yeah, right there. Right there. Oh, there it is. It fell out. I saw you. Shield penny. Shield penny. Let's put you in there. 67, that was ringing up. Okay. -7. Gotta watch the branches here. There's a can here. Yeah. I shall take that with me. Put that in my pocket over here. Oh. Hey, I made 5 cents. Like 2 pennies and 3 pennies for that, maybe. Okay. We're still at sensitivity 15. Man, it's being quiet. This is all no discrimination here. Ooh, that's an 89. That's like a quarter sound there. Way over here. Some kid climbing in the tree, playing Tarzan. It's right there. It says it's because of the grass. It's on the surface, but it's probably only an inch or 2 down. I don't know. A ring could come up that number, I think. There it is, right there. A quarter. It's a newer quarter, of course. Yeah, you can tell they just don't have any features to them. They're really flat. Jeez Louise, they're flat. Okay. That was good. Quarter, a dime, a few pennies. I'm gonna do some target practice out here just to mess around with some stuff. So as soon as I'm done with this area. 28. That's like an 80. Like there's more than one target here, maybe. Could be coin spill. Right there. Right there. Says it's on an inch down or so. That's about, could be a quarter. Or some slaw. Big. Whatever it is, it's a big target. Right next to the big root. Oh my gosh. Oh, what do we got here? Ha ha. First time I found one of these. You guys know what this is? It goes on a wheel. What do you think it does? If your steering wheel is going 60 miles an hour, this probably fell off your car. That's a wheel weight, balanced wheel weight. Huh, that's cool. Lead. 19. But the number was high. So let's check that hole again. That was kind of strange. Why is it so high? Wow. I'll have to watch that again, but that was not ringing up the same anymore. Nothing there. Okay, there's a... That's a negative 11 there. There was a target over here. Almost like a nickel noise. No, a little high for a nickel. I think it'll depend on how you hit it. See, now it dropped low. Low. It's on the surface, so didn't really need to check it for any, like a deep target. Alright. Let's see. It's like right here. Oh, what is that? Is that a nickel? It is a nickel. What do you know? Hasn't been in there very long. Yeah, you think it's a nickel too, Mr. Garrett? Yep, 29. Those nickels usually ring up 29. Unless they're a little corroded, they might be change a little bit. Alright, hey, we got a full spectrum quarter. Is that a coin spill? That was right. Another nickel, son? What? I've never had back-to-back nickels. This will be a first. Back-to-back nickels? What? What? Okay. Mr. Garrett says over here. Alright, it says it's like right here. Should be in this clump of dirt right here. Yep. She's right here. It says here. What do you got here? Another nickel. Wow, back-to-back nickel. It's a nickel spill. How many of you guys have had a nickel spill? This is a new one too. A new nickel. Yeah. Cool. I think I'm gonna move this. Wow, any more in here? Any brothers? What? Another nickel? That would be funny, huh? Good. Now, chances are it's probably another coin. Oh my god. Another nickel. This is a back-to-back-to-back. 3 backs, right? 3 backs. A nickel. Wow. I've never found 3 nickels, let alone 2 nickels in a row. That was a nickel spill. Big nickel spill. Awesome. Any more? Some kid he emptied his pocket here. Definitely. Oh, you need a bath, buddy. We'll give you one when we get home. He worked hard today. Okay. That's a negative number now. And that's kind of over here somewhere. So we're not digging no that negative of a number. It's probably junk. There's some dog poop there. We ain't digging that in that area. 32. Oh, maybe I'll dig it. Oops. Right there. So it's on the surface 30. It's probably, what do you think? Foil or aluminum? What do you guys think? You've been watching these enough? I mean, it's in the jewelry tone area. Jewelry tone area. Let's detune you just a little bit. Kind of like here. I think I detuned it just a little bit. Is there something shiny down here? No, I missed it. There was a shiny object, but it was a pull tab. Pull tab. What was that commercial that went like that? Fresca? How many of you even know what a Fresca is? Probably not too many of you, since probably half, because I have a young generation that like to watch the videos too. If you haven't got a detector, nobody bought you one, you might think about getting one down the road. This is a good one. I like this one for $265. It's got the power of some of the more expensive 500 to even higher ones. It says it's deep target here. Wow, that's 4 inches down. Let's go for it. Right there. It says it's on the surface. 36. Probably some junk. But this is a good detector. I'd like to get a more expensive one, but that'll be down the road. Trying to get a used one, but there's a lot of scam artists out there trying to sell you stuff, and you got to be careful of those guys. You have to pull tab. Oh, yeah. Another Fresca tab. Dang, Fresca. I remember my neighbor drank that when I was like 10 years old. Oops, I dropped my can. Not that I'm drinking this. I hope they don't think I'm drinking this. It's got a big hole in it from my digger. I'm going to go all the way around here because there might be some coins here. Still on 15 sensitivity. No discrimination. I think we're on 3 for separation because it seemed like there was a lot of junk over here. That's on the surface. It's going to double beat. You got to remember there's 2 coils here, one this way and one this way. And sometimes they overlap each other in the middle. So you get that. So it's like, it's right there somewhere. So it's got to be like right here. Let's see how close I get to it. Ooh. Ooh, I got a sticker. You guys remember getting stickers from your teacher? Get a sticker for being a good student? Or a safety token? Well, that's got to be foil or something. Oh, that's what it is. Oh, pull tab. Part of one. Oh, not even that. It is part of a camera. That's a lens with, or the 2 lenses here. Somebody whacked their camera pretty good. Wow. I don't think the rest of the camera's down there. Okay, that rang up. Interesting number though. It rang up like trash. Okay. Let's carry on here. $55. That's on the surface too. So that's got to be about right there. And it's a small enough target. I missed it a little, didn't I? Right there. Now if I would have swung the other way, I probably would have found it. Oh, it's a coin. What is this? Chuck E. Cheese. Is that a quarter? Oh, it's a token for something. $1. Vacuum. No cash value. I can get my car vacuumed. Woohoo! It needs it too. But where is it at? Good question. I don't know if it has an address. Car wash. It says the city I live in. Cool. $1, huh? I'll keep that.